Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Therefore, you've surely observed that the Burien beta experienced a sharp increase in wallets. The fact that the total number of wallets using the sharing beta has surged and increased to over 11-point-something million yesterday was crazy is like the main topic I've been discussing over the past week. In only a few hours, it increased from something like 6 million to 9 million to 11 million. Why is that then? Actually, there is a reason for that. Today, I want to discuss it. As a result, someone wrote a software to generate millions of wallets in an effort to overload the network. The number of hosted wallets on PuppyNet, the beta version of the Shiba Inu Shiburin network, continues to rise, arousing interest in the reason behind the abrupt increase. Recent leaks claim that a script was used to create millions of wallets in order to stress test the network. That means that this is a real person using Shibarium. This wallet was a fake. But the main purpose was to evaluate the network's performance. The announcement was made in a recent tweet by a member of the Shiba Pixel Pops team, an NFT project based on the Shiba Inu. A script that generated more than 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and executed more than 3 million transactions on the embedded beta network was proven to have been either approved by or written by the person. Therefore, it should be clear that you are aware that we did not have 10 million users. We were aware that some of these had been fakes, test wallets, or other such things. However, the truth is that it is a big issue to see how, they could handle that. Although you might have expected it to crash or something, it was able to handle it, which is crucial. In the actual world on the main net, it would be a significant event if we were to reach 9 million wallets. At that time, you best believe we'll begin burning trillions of dollars every day. As a result, it's excellent that they're doing it and that they've stress tested it. But what? It is performing well and going above and beyond expectations. If we want to see Shiba Inu prices rise, it is crucial. The team member continued by saying that if Pixel Pup tokens were among these tokens, they were also in charge of creating about 1,600 tokens on a test network. PuppyNet currently has a remarkable 13.3 million wallet addresses, and a transaction total of over 3.47, according to data from PuppyScan, the network's designated block explorer. Remember how wallet usage recently increased by a whopping 86%? The figure exceeded 5 million in just 2 days. This script served as the impetus for the extraordinary surge. Stress testing are therefore essential to determine the dependability of, in other words, you need to stress test Shiburin if you want it to be reliable, strong, and able to manage a large number of concurrent users. They carried out that. And it did a good job of handling it. Which is significant because it firstly says that's positive, and that you need that to occur. Second of all, it benefits us since it suggests that they may launch it earlier than expected because it is ready. So if they're prepared, they could start it rather than keeping everyone waiting for the main network to launch forever. So, the end of April, according to some. I am clueless. Although there is no set date for the launch, it might occur in the start of May. The unknown. So we'll have to wait till the main net launches. But in the meantime, be ready because cryptocurrency is still a sleeping monster. You best believe that all the Shiburin-related ecosystem tokens are going to explode the moment Shavrim are released. Tokens that I believe are discounted greatly, and will increase when Bitcoin keeps rising and Shibarium is launched. There are numerous tokens there. Anyway, what do you suppose is driving today's market mania? It's wonderful that everything is extremely green. Seeing a lot of green is wonderful. For many of us who invest when prices are low, having prosperous days and taking profits is crucial. Anyway, nice stuff starts to pour in. I'm eager. Please comment below with your thoughts. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys.